The long-awaited immunity hearing for the former Decatur police officer accused of murder while on duty underway. And many hours later today, still no decision. The hearing for Mac Marquette was an all-day affair inside a Morgan County courtroom. Not over yet. The hearing will decide whether Marquette will go to trial later this year for the deadly shooting of Decatur resident Steve Perkins during a repossession incident gone wrong. Fox 54's Ken McCoy was inside that courtroom and has the latest from Decatur.
Keeping the peace. That's what officers involved say that they were expecting to do the night Steve Perkins was shot and killed in his front yard in Decatur. However, both claim they didn't expect things to turn deadly. Testimony got started just after 9:30 Tuesday morning. All-Star Recovery employee Caleb Combs was called to testify. He said he had been with the company just 2 months prior to the incident. He said the truck Perkins owned was called an advanced tow, meaning it wasn't originally assigned to the company, but was eventually able to get the clearance to proceed with the tow. He said while trying to tow the vehicle, he heard the garage door opening. A man, being Perkins, came from under, pointed a gun at his chest, and told him to drop the truck. He stated he was then told to call law enforcement. Christopher McAdam was the first officer to respond. McAdam testified that he met with the tow truck driver in order to get more details about the situation. Once collected, he informed Combs that he had the option to report the incident the next day and have it go through the court. However, Combs declined on the basis that he didn't want to deal with the courts, but still wanted to get the car, but asked not to go by himself. That's when Officer McAdam then called for additional units, which included Officer Joey Williams and Defendant Mac Marquette. Once cleared by the supervisor, McAdam said they came up with a plan to escort Combs to the Perkins residence. All three officers arrived ahead of the tow truck. Body cam footage illustrates that Marquette and Williams stationed on the side of the house while Officer McAdams took station across the street facing the house. Williams stated that he didn't know Perkins was holding a gun until after shots were fired. The state argues that officers had the opportunity to make themselves known before the situation escalated, stating that if they were there to indeed try to keep the peace, there was a better course of action and that there were Alabama laws that prevent officers from getting involved in situations such as this. We'll continue to keep you updated as the trial continues. In Decatur, Ken McCoy, Fox 54 News.
And our Fox 54's Ken McCoy will be back in Decatur tomorrow for the second day of this hearing. For live updates, go to fox54.com.